Miss Julia here from the Belden Library today, and we are doing something crazy for our art club this week. We are making foam paint. So this is the one I made already. I love it, it's super cool. First of all, you're gonna need to gather some things. So you're gonna need some flour, you're gonna need some water and like measuring tools and some whisks and like spatulas and bowls. You're also going to need to get these bottles. You could use like Ziploc bags if you wanted to, but this is like way easier for storage and for just use. It's pretty fun. Food coloring and shaving cream. I have just like a regular, really cheap. This was like I think $1 at Lippink's. And you're gonna need another bowl and some scissors and bags. So grab all that and we're gonna get started. First of all, you're going to put 1 cup of flour in this big bowl. It's kind of weird. Like, I was not expecting flour in this recipe. And then you're going to need 1 cup of water in the bowl. Okay. You pour that in. And you're gonna wanna whisk it around really well because you don't want any chunks in there. Just like, honestly, it's kind of like a really gross looking pancake mix at this point because there's nothing else in there. But, so you gotta stir it up, get all those chunks out. Make sure you scrape the bottom and sides. All right. This one batch makes a lot. I made both of these and a little bit extra that I didn't end up using. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put the shaving cream in here now, and then cut it in half and then put the food coloring in so I can have 2 different colors. All right, so now you need 2 cups of shaving cream. So take the whisk out. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just kind of pour it in there. That's like half a cup. And you just put it in there, and you're gonna want to start folding it in. It smells really good. All right. So now you just fold it in really carefully as if they are like egg whites when you're making like waffles or something. And then you'll separate it into half and make 2 different colors. So, just get that in. Looks pretty weird right now. This is a pretty messy craft because once you put them in the bags, it can kind of be a little bit funny to do, but it's really worth it. Okay. So now it's just kind of really like frothy and mixed around. Looks boring right now. And you could even use a white one if you want to have like the white paint, which is cool. I might even do that. All right. So then we're gonna put half or so in this bowl. And we're gonna get some red food coloring. You actually need quite a bit of food coloring. I think I did about 13 drops in this one, and I think that's too light personally. So I'm gonna go with more like close to like 20. Okay, that's 15 red. So we're gonna try that and we're gonna go with it. It's probably gonna be a lot now that I think about it because I did half it. So maybe don't do that much, but depends on how bright you want your colors. It also depends on your food coloring, so. So you just stir that around. And I'm getting like a really nice pinkish color. Scrape the edges down. All right, so once it's all mixed up, you get one of your bags and you're gonna roll the sides down and actually put it in here. So we're gonna set this side. Makes it easier to scoop your foam paint into your bag if it's in a cup of some sort. Otherwise, it's gonna be a mess everywhere. Okay, so now we're gonna pour that in there. And then you're gonna want to seal it. You take this bottle here, and you're going to want to now snip your end off just a little bit. There you go. And then pour it into your bottle. If you want to get an unscented shaving cream, that's good too. This one's doesn't have that much scent to it at all, but it's pretty cool to have it smelling good and not something gross smelling. All right, oops. It's definitely worth it to have the bottles, I think. So then you just scrape it all out. And put your lid back on, and then you can just enjoy and go out into chalk and play with it. You don't have to worry about it like staining or staying too long, because you can just wash it off with the rain or the hose. Doesn't matter, but it's pretty fun and really inexpensive craft. So I hope you guys have a great time. Show me your colors that you choose to do. I'm gonna probably make some more yellows and blues and just go out there and have some fun. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.